on? What are all these people doing here?
Honey, listen to me. There's been an accident.
An accident? What kind of accident?
There's been an accident. There's been a cave-in the tunnel, and we think that Gina and Ted are down there. And maybe Cruz.
No.
Now, my daughter's packed down there. Well, if there's anybody alive down there, we got to get to them right away before they can get in the air.
Look, they're still digging from our end of the tunnel, too, from the basement entrance, but they're not making very much progress so far.
Even if they are alive, they could suffocate down there.
Don't worry, we'll get them out. If Ted and Gina are really down there, and Cruz, too.
And my Santana.
Santana?
Yes, Cruz and Santana are down there together.
Please, everyone. I have something to tell you all. The fire chief has just informed me that there may not be any survivors. He says that anyone who lived through the cave-in, chance of them having any air to breathe is slight.
Oh, good. Danny and Cruz. Danny, you have to do something. You can't do this. No.
Eden,
No.
Eden, listen to me. They are doing everything they can.
No, they can't be dead. They have to be alive. Please. And Cruz. Oh, God, Danny, you're wrong.
We didn't find him.
Wrong.
Eden, listen to me. Listen to me.
No.
Take some deep breaths. Come on, just take some deep breaths. Try it.
Both of them. You've got to do something, please.
Honey, they're doing everything they can. Chief, you better get back to it.
No. They got to be all right, Danny. They got to be all right.
I know. Gina's down there with Ted. And I don't...
We've got to do something.
Honey, we're doing everything we can.
Well, I can do something, and I'm sure as hell going to try.
Eden,
Cece, no. I'm going to go to her. I know what she needs right now.
but that's my daughter.
Cece, that is our daughter.
Show me. I have a right to be down there.
Sorry, it's just too risky to go
My
down there
brother
right
is
now.
down there, and...
Honey, I'm here. Hold on. That's a girl. Just hold on. My baby. That's my girl. Baby. I know it is, honey. I know.
That damn tunnel. Why was it ever built, and why did it cave in?
I don't know. We don't know. We just have to wait.
I just want to go down there and get them.
You can't do that, baby. You know that.
My brother's trapped down there.
Yes, I know. I know. So is my son. We just have to hope, and we have to pray, Eden. We can't tear through solid rock.
I want to do something.
I know. And I know your darling Cruz is there, too, baby. Now, listen to me, Eden. Remember when you were a little girl? And when things were bad? We used to pray together. You remember? Will you pray with me now? Dear God, please let the love we feel for them protect them, keep them safe, and bring them back to us.
God, this is Eden. Please let them be okay.
Amen.
Daddy, I want to go with you.
No, Eden. It's solid rock down there.
I can swing a pick just as easy as you can.
I don't want you to do that.
Please, I'm not going to let you go down there without me. I got to help. I got to do something.
Eden, you'd be in the way.
I want to go. I love them. Cruz and Ted and... Daddy, I love Cruz with all my heart. Please.
Let her come, Cece. We're all trying to do the same thing, aren't we? For the people we love.
All right, honey, but put these on. Come on, we're all wasting time up here. Look out, someone's coming back. Get that? That's it.
It's funny, you know. You'd think we'd have heard something by now.
What do you mean?
Well, rescue teams have ways of estimating how much oxygen would be left in a little pocket like this after a cave-in.
How long's it been?
It's been about an hour and a half. That means they would have started when, at least an hour ago. We should be here by now. We're gonna have to prop this up. See any of these?
What about this thing?
Yeah.
Oh, God, Cruz.
Will you help me with this? I'm gonna knock it in there and punch it in with the rock there. Gently, Jimmy.
Oh.
Take it easy, gently. Once more. Santana, get up here and hold this part. Hold it in place. Hold it in place.
How long do you think we've got?
Oh, we got plenty of time. All the time in the world. I just hate to see the roof cave in now that we're finally having fun. Not worried, are you?
You know me, Castillo. I never give up.
Yeah, right. Right. Andrade, never say die, kid. I'm glad you came back. I knew you would. Tell you, if I had a boy like Brandon, and someday I will, I'd never stay away from him.
Oh, I tried to stay away. I kept so busy, one project after the other. He was always right there in the back of my mind. Let me come back.
Yeah, I'll bet. Must be amazing to have a kid.
What about you, senor? You still waiting for the right woman to come along?
No. Mi corazón está en paz. He encontrado la mujer de mis sueños.
¿Quién?
Someone I love very much. In fact, if I ever get out of this mess, I'm gonna make her marry me.
I think you could just ask her.
I already tried that.
Hmm?
She turned me down flat.
You gotta be kidding. Who in their right mind would turn you down?
Eden.
My. I always knew you liked a challenge, but you've got your hands full.
Yeah,
What did Cece think about it?
same thing he thought about you and Channing Jr.
Then I guess we're in the same hole.
Yeah. Augusta? Augusta?
She only came for the day. She didn't even get to see her father.
She will, Rosa. She will. They're gonna find us.
It's all her fault.
Lakin.
It is. If she wasn't here, then my mom and dad would still be together.
Lakin.
And so would Ted and I.
Lakin, this is not helping your mother.
I wonder if anything can.
You've been in this room before. You know, we didn't think you were going to come today.
Well, I wasn't asked. I was ordered.
You! Over here!
Who is that man?
Lindsay, somebody. I don't know. He must have had something to do with Channing. Because, Cruz asked him to be here. You know, Mama, this was like the day that we tried to look for you. And I told myself then that I would never love anybody so that I couldn't live without them. Because you always seem to lose them somehow.
Not true, Eden. Not true, baby.
Everybody, please, get back.
Is Gina all
Medics are bringing more in.
Eden, put your hand.
We don't know how badly he's hurt. We've got to get him to the hospital. Coming through!
Who is it?
Let's see, what else? He's in a special art class at school. He loves to draw and paint. Cece keeps everything he does. Don't you want me to talk about Brandon anymore? Santana, don't go to sleep. Talk to me.
Why?
Just because.
Because you think we won't wake up. Oh, it hurts to breathe.
We're getting air from somewhere. Otherwise, we wouldn't be alive now. They're looking for us. They'll find us.
You know what scares me most? I am so tired. I don't even care anymore.
Well, I do. I do. There's too many things I haven't done to give up now. Now stay awake. Like skydiving. I've never done that. Never cooked a rabbit. My father told me how, but I never got it. You listening to me?
Your father told you how.
That's right. Tuxedos. I haven't worn enough tuxedos.
Tuxedos.
I haven't made love enough. I haven't touched my woman's skin enough. I haven't kissed her long enough or hard enough. I haven't told her what she needs to hear. I haven't said her name enough. Eden. I haven't loved you enough yet, baby. I haven't loved you enough. Not yet. Wake up!
Yeah, I can identify him. His name's Judson. Hank Judson. Get him out of here.
Love away the guy.
I have little to mourn with that man.
Well, you never know if he had anything to tell you about Gina.
No, I won't go. No, there's nothing wrong with me. I'm fine. Cece, tell him I can stay here.
Gina, go to the hospital so they can examine you and make sure you're all right. You've got to think of the baby.
Cece, they take Ted to the hospital. I want to go with him.
Where is Mother? I expect Ted will want you there.
Daddy, I'm going to stay here and see that they get the others, but, will you call and tell me if Ted's all right?
All right, honey. One of us will. Marcello, I'm going to follow the ambulance to the hospital. We'll have to wait for a word on Ted. I want you there, please.
Yes, I will be.
Rosa, please call me at the hospital and tell me when they find the others.
I will. Where are you going?
I'm going down there with you. Yes.
Look, stick close to a phone. We'll be calling you again.
If I was gonna run, I would have done it weeks ago.
Warren! When I got to the house, he told me what happened. We think my mom might be down there.
Take a shot.
Here, let's go.
Kitten, I thought you were going with the others to see if Ted's okay.
No, I'm gonna wait to see if Mom's okay. Good luck. Are we gonna die?
No. No, we're not.
Cruz, why is it? The one thing that you want most you can't have. I mean, when it's right there in front of you, you don't want it. And when it is, it just gets snatched away from you.
You talking about Brandon?
And Janet. Oh. 6 months ago, I didn't care about anything much. Losing Brandon just took something out of me. When I was gone, Cruz, I was so reckless. I worked too much, played too fast. I was always moving. I guess I figured if I couldn't make a home with Brandon, then I just didn't belong anywhere. Then I just realized I didn't have to make a home. I already had a home right here. That's why I came back. I didn't burn any bridges. So I was going to stay one day. Oh, when I stepped out of that car, I knew I was back to stay.
That's nice. That's good. I can remember a time when home was the last place you wanted to be.
Oh, I was so stupid.
No. You were smart. You were smart and beautiful and Latina. But you knew you could pass.
Oh, don't remind me. Oh, it was like losing my brother when you turned against me.
I was just jealous, you know. I was jealous. I did get a kick. I thought it was funny the way you had those cheerleaders calling you Sandy. Santana?
You make me silly, James.
I'm sorry, Santana. I didn't mean to say anything bad. Everybody's got to find their own way. I know that. Our mothers were the ones who were crushed. The only thing they hadn't agreed upon is how many grandchildren we were going to give.
I was at every one of your matches. Oh, my heart used to pound watching you run around that field.
You did, huh?
I was such a kid. You just looked right through me.
No. You were the earliest bloomer in the history of puberty.
Oh. So many times I wondered, what would have happened if we hadn't argued? If I hadn't tried so hard to be something that I wasn't. Haven't you?
Maybe we should stop talking for a second and save our breath.
All right, let's go. Be careful. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, Greg.
Got it?
Careful.
Come on. Doug, halfway through the tunnel by now.
We can't be too long before we find him. The guys on the other side are pretty close.
We've been down here 10 minutes. We'd like to run 2 miles. Look, even if they're okay, come on. I was going to get breathing.
Can we just stop the narration here and keep digging, all right?
Yeah.
Be careful, Mike.
Eden. I'm sorry.
Warren, maybe Brick's right. Maybe it's too solid to dig through. Maybe we should concentrate.
No, wait. What?
What? Warren, what is it?
I don't know. My shovel pulled back into some kind of opening back there. I don't know how big it is. It's too dark to see inside. Let me try.
No. Just let me. I'm still
guys,
fresh.
that's no good. The opening's too small for you to get in.
Well, let me try. I'm the smallest.
Here, Eden, take this.
All right, go for it.
Call out if you
Take
see
this and get to the other side. Try to open it with this. Here.
Okay, thanks.
Easy.
What do you see? What do you see?
Santana. I found them! They're alive!
Baby.
Oh, I love you.
You gave me such a scare.
I gave you.
I thought you said it with me if I died.
I'm not doing with you yet.
Oh, baby.
It's okay. It's all right.
Eden.
Yeah.
Come in. Augusta. Honey. Augusta. Be alive. Be alive. Give me some oxygen in here. Pass me the oxygen.
What's Santana, sure?
What? Get the doctor.
No, I said, is Santana all right?
I don't know. Well, one of the medics is with her. Now, come on. The doctor said you have to rest and breathe.
No, I don't want to breathe.
Your face is all dirty.
I'm sorry.
No, let me fix it. Breathe.
Don't let him move.
If I were Cruz Castillo right now, I'd take you off active duty for that.
Why don't you give me a break? I was right, wasn't I? Whoever was down there was the killer and set the charge.
Augusta Lockridge?
Yeah, I know. It doesn't make sense. Or does it?
Well, you're gonna be okay now. We're all here.
She's not responding. Let's get her into the ambulance.
Doctor, what's wrong with her?
Doctor, how serious is it?
As soon as I know, I'll let you know. Okay, clear the door.
Mama? Thank God. Where's my baby? Is he all right?
Callie took Brandon to the train park so that he wouldn't be upset by all that's going on around here.
Hell of a homecoming. Welcome back. We missed you.
Cruz, you've just been buried under 12 tons of rubble.
So I'm stretching my legs, all right? Hey, what did I tell you, huh?
I know. I don't listen.
That's right. ¿Quién lo sabe mejor?
Cruz lo sabe. Siempre.
¿Verdad? Me forget next time. Let's get her out of here. Why don't we get her out of here, huh? Debe pronto. Oh, it was bad. I know. I got up.
Yeah, you need somebody to make you behave.
That's true. I do every minute.
No.
Come on.
Cruz.
Mamá.
Ay, mijo.
Oh, mamá.
Rosa called me. Ay, gracias a Dios que estás bien. Ay, he estado tan preocupada.
Oh, no. Estoy bien, mamá.
Who did this terrible thing? I just saw Santana being carried out. I didn't know she was back. Did you?
Yeah, she was down there with me.
Then why are you still here? We should be with Rosa at the hospital to see how she is.
Hey, well, I do have some questions I need to ask him down there. I'll be back.
Ven, hijo, ven.
Fortunately, my personal code of honor enables me to drink alone, as long as it's somebody else's liquor.
What doesn't it permit, Mason?
Look, when the woman from my past suddenly shows up on a stretcher, I think I'm entitled, don't you? Didn't have a whole lot to say, though, did she? Except for a few sweet Spanish nothings in your boyfriend's ear.
Hello?
Oh, baby, I was praying your sweet voice would answer the phone.
Yeah, well, you told me to stay put, and I did. See, I'm following orders. I'm getting better.
And better and better and better. Listen, I'm sorry this is taking so long to tie up, but I do got plans for you later, you know what I mean? In the meantime, I gotta talk to the fire chief again. Is that okay?
Yeah, but don't hang up, all right? Hold on. It's, for you. It's Cruz Castillo.
Oh, thank you.
Did he say how Santana was?
Mason, it just so happens they shared a very difficult experience.
Not to mention their entire childhoods. Things like that tend to bring people closer together, don't you think?
Right.
Why did you hang up?
Because he did.
Oh, well, that's it. Forget it. If Cruz comes by here, please just tell him that I'll meet him at the houseboat.
Listen, wait a minute.
He said he'd be here in 10 minutes.
Like ships passing in the night. Happens all the time to poor fools in love. We haven't got the first idea what to do.